Wash, wash, wash your hands, make them nice and clean. Soap and water scrub away, goodbye germs unseen. Rub the front and rub the back, between your fingers too. Round and round your thumbs we go, that's the healthy thing to do. Rinse, rinse, watch them shine. Dry them nice and slow. Clean hands keep us safe and strong. Now we're good to go. Now our hands are clean and bright. We did it right. Hooray! Remember to wash your hands. Stay healthy,